Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser and you want to enable developer mode, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply enable developer mode in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Chrome. Then after you open up your Chrome, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down and click on about Chrome. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to tap application version. Continue to tap it until your developer mode is enabled. You can see right here, tap two more, then developer mode options are now enabled. That's simple as that. So let's simply go back. Then by the time I simply create a new tab right here, then I come to the top right here, then I simply click on settings right here. Then we have to simply scroll down right here and make sure we look for developer mode. So down below right here, we have developer options. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable developer options in Chrome browser on your mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.